I think with social media, what's really important and what keeps getting lost in translation is that it's just a communication tool, and you get to communicate with more people through social media. You can just quickly have one-on-one conversations with 100 people, and you nurture those conversations, and you see what you had conversed about last, and you pick up where you left off, whether it's a day or 2 or 3 days later when you chat again. It's the same conversation taking place. So you really nurture a relationship. And, through social media, you get to see their images, their photos, their family, what they're up to. You get to know them, and they get to know you because they get to see what you've been up to, and they see your posts. And so you're breaking down these barriers of, I'm trying to sell you something, because if you do it right, you're making connections and communicating with people, and they trust you because they know you. Then you become the go-to person in that your circle of influence that you want to be. You want to be the go-to person. You want to be the subject matter expert in whatever you're professing you're selling, right?